I hope everyone's doing well. I am Mr. Chris. Thank you for joining me for this video. Look what we have here. We have a square root of 2 within which is a root 2 within which is a root 2 and a root 2 and on. An infinite number of embedded roots. What would all of this equal in terms of its value? And that's what we're going to determine. And how would we go about doing it? Well, when you're looking here at this very first, you're looking at a 2 to the power of 1 over 2 because it's a square root. When you're looking at this next one, you're looking at 2 to the power of now 1 over 4 because the index values over here are changing as we go across. Everything is by a factor of 2. This one right over here is 2 to the power of 1 over 8. Then this right here, and these are all in a product relationship. This right here is going to be 2 to the power of 1 over 16. And then obviously the next one would have been 2 to the power of 1 over 32, on and on and on. Using laws of exponents, this one right here, a to the power of m times a to the power of n, same basis, the exponents adds, you have a to the power of m plus n. And likewise, you're really looking here at something which is 2 to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 16 plus 1 over 32 and on and on. Focus only on the exponents. The exponents represents a series. Look right here at the series. We have, focusing only here on this exponent, we have something which looks like this. From n is equal to 1 infinity. I have 1 over 2 and then I'm looking at n. That's exactly what it is. What would this be equal to? Well, if you look at your first term, it's a 1 over 2. Look at your next term, it's a 1 over 4. And look at the next and next term, you can find a common ratio here to be 1 over 2. It's going to be convergent. A convergent infinite geometric series. And you can use this formula. The sum of this series for an infinite geometric series that is known to be convergent is going to be a1 divided by 1 minus r, which is what? 1 over 2 divided by 1 minus your common ratio 1 over 2. It will be 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2, and that's going to be a 1. You know the sum of all this is going to be a 1. In essence, all of this boils down to 2 to the power of 1, and it's going to be equal to a 2. So all of this computation gives you a value 2 and it should be correct. And that brings us to the end.